Hi, it's Beth Pantazzi, the Assistive Tech OT. This week, I am going to show you one of my favorite text-to-speech extensions on Google Chrome. The extension is called Read Aloud, and I have it pulled up here. As you can see, I just Googled Read Aloud extension, and this right here is what you'll be looking for. You can see that it is an orange and black megaphone. Again, mine says remove from Chrome because it's already added. But if you do not have it added, it would say add to Chrome. So I am just going to demonstrate here how it works. So I have typed a couple of sentences here, and I already have the extension pinned to my toolbar here. So if I click on it,
I am so excited for winter break. I am looking forward to a relaxing 2 weeks off of work. I plan to spend time with my immediate family to celebrate small this year.
So it reads it, and after it's done, it gives you these options for settings, and you can select the voice, you can select the speed, the pitch, and the volume, and then you can also turn on or off the text highlighting. I actually have a student that uses this, and she has slowed the speed down very slow, which is helpful for her. Due to some slower processing speed, it takes her a little bit longer to comprehend what is being read. And so she independently turned the speed down to help her be better able to comprehend what she is listening to. In working on my master's, I did also read some research that stated that a text-to-speech program, even with individuals who don't have difficulties with reading, it helps reduce the cognitive load and helps to improve comprehension. So it's just a great tool. I used it pretty frequently when I was working on my master's degree. If I was working on something that was really heavy, like my research class, or whenever reading research articles, I found that that really helped me to be able to comprehend, and I didn't have to go back and read it as often. So I just want to show here that if we go to, let's try this and see if it works. So I just went to Kroger.com.
New third-party sellers. Browse an expanded selection of housewares.
And you can skip through. So if we close this out and we try it again, it's going to go ahead and go through. And like I said, you can skip through to find what it is that you would like. So I really, really enjoy using this app with my students. I use it myself personally. And one of the things that I really am excited to really stress to everyone that I work with is that these tools are not just for use with individuals who have learning disabilities or intellectual disabilities or disabilities of any kind. It can help any individual who, like I said, would like to reduce the cognitive load. So I hope that you have found this helpful. Please feel free to subscribe and like this video if it was helpful for you. If you would like to reach out to me with any questions or any feedback, you can reach me on email at theassistivetechot@gmail.com or on Instagram at theassistivetechot. Thanks so much, and I hope for those of you who work in a school setting, enjoy your winter break, and we will see you in January. Thanks.